Pull up the stock of Wockhardt for you. That's holding up in trade. In fact, one of the strongest mid-cap gainers, up about 4.5% as we speak. But we are picking up that the company, which is of course debt-laden, could see more trouble before it is all set to seal that settlement deal with its FCCB holder. Sun Pharma, though, has come into the picture now. It is a major bondholder of the company. Let's go across to Rumi Datta to get the latest on this development. Rumi, what is Sun Pharma saying now? Could this really be a spanner in the works for Wockhardt as far as the FCCB settlement is concerned? Well, Rumi is not with us at this point in time, but that's the stock of Wockhardt for you, up about 5%. We'll get Rumi back with more details on that front. You also have other pharma companies looking strong. Aurobindo Pharma is another one that is doing well. And Rumi joins us for further details now. Rumi, give us a sense of what Sun Pharma, which is a major bondholder, saying now. Could this really be a spanner in the works as far as the FCCB settlement is concerned?
You're absolutely right, Shivani. This has thrown a spanner in the works for Wockhardt at a time when Wockhardt was all set to settle the FCCB issue with its existing bondholders. Sun Pharma has come into the picture. Now, what is interesting and is the latest development that Sun Pharma sources are clearly indicating that they are in no mood to take any sort of haircut on this FCCB, Wockhardt FCCB. A part of the bondholders of Wockhardt had agreed to take a haircut to the extent of 40 to 50% as far as the total FCCB worth $110 million is concerned. But now Sun Pharma is indicating that it is not ready to take any amount of cut. It's not ready to give up the bonds at any discount, particularly because the company feels that if at all the bond issuer is in trouble, the equity holders should get wiped out first. The equity holders should take the hit first, and then the hit should come to bondholders. So technically, Sun Pharma, which holds close to 20% of FCCBs issued by Wockhardt, has said that they are in no mood to give back their bonds at any amount of discount. Now that could create a problem because other bondholders were ready to surrender the bonds at a 40 to 50% discount. But to what extent will Sun Pharma succeed given the fact that it holds only 20% of the total bonds? That is one big question here.